Previously on Maddie's Glam Life, I shared with you guys a mystery oil that will help to get rid of stretch marks. I know that a lot of us suffer with stretch marks, so this is the perfect video for you to watch if you do. Make sure that you check it out. I will list it up in the cards. And now on to what we are talking about on today. You guys, I have the perfect mask for getting beautiful doll-like skin. You guys, this mask helps to smooth out pores and give you a nice smooth complexion. Make sure that you guys continue watching in order to learn exactly how to make it. First and foremost, I am going to start by slicing my lemon in half. Now, lemon is great for shrinking up the pores. It is also great for getting rid of any darkness and discoloration on the skin, you guys. So if you have any leftover acne marks, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. Today I'm using my clear bowl from Amazon. Now if you find that you are interested in this bowl, I will leave it listed down below, and I'm simply going to crack my egg open in here. Now as you all can see, this egg was pretty oddly constructed, so once I cracked it, you guys, I had eggshells all in my bowl. So if that happens to you, make sure that you just simply remove it. And I'm going to be using my lemon squeezer on today in order to squeeze my lemon. Now this also comes in handy. Make sure that you check out the description box for this as well. And all that it's going to do is squeeze all that juice out. You could use both lemons if you plan on keeping this mixture around for a while, but I only used one. And also, you guys, if y'all are not aware, egg is also great for shrinking the pores. Who knew that egg was so amazing for the skin? So with using this mixture, you are on your way to smooth, beautiful skin with a nice glow. Also, egg is beneficial for tightening the skin as well. So you guys, you're going to get a more youthful, younger looking appearance by using this. Now I'm going to add in my jojoba oil, and I will be adding in about 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is also known to shrink the pores. Wow, you guys, absolutely amazing, isn't it? Jojoba oil is also a non-comedogenic, so it's great for the skin and great for keeping off acne. Now I'm going to use my electric blender on today in order to blend this up, and you need something like this in order to really get in there and blend this mixture together. So I will also have this listed down below for you guys, because let me tell y'all, it is absolutely amazing, and it also is a lifesaver in terms of time. And once you are done mixing this up, this is what your mixture is pretty much going to look like, okay? It's going to have the bubbles on top, and it's going to be nicely put together. Now, you guys, this is a liquidy mixture, so do not be alarmed. As you guys saw, this face mask here is very easy to make. I'm going to be applying this to my face with you guys, and you all can check out the description box in order to purchase the whisk that I use, the electric whisk, and you can also look down there to purchase the lemon squeezer that I use as well. If you are interested in this bowl, it will also be listed down below for you guys too, because I know people are always asking me about these things, so I will have it down below in the description box. Always make sure that you check the description box, okay? I always list everything down below. Now this face mask here can be stored for up to 2 weeks, so there you go. And I ended up applying jojoba oil into this mask as well, because if you all are not aware, jojoba oil is also great for shrinking the pores, okay? I love using jojoba oil. It is a non-comedogenic, and it gives you beautiful glowy skin. I also use jojoba oil to remove makeup and for things of the like. So since everyone is always asking me, you have great skin, what do you use on your skin? This is what I use every now and then. Now I wouldn't recommend using this more than 3 times a week because of the lime that is in here. For those of y'all that are not aware, lime has lightening properties, but it also has acid in it, okay? So you want to be paying attention to how much you apply this to your skin. Now if you are going to keep this mask around for the full extended 2 weeks, then just make sure that you refrigerate it, okay? Keep it in a place of a nice temperature. You can store this in any type of container. I'd recommend that it is a plastic container in order to preserve the product a little bit better. So let's get started. In order to apply this, I'm using my Bonsenkitchen flat foundation brush. You could use any one of these makeup brushes. It'll help you to get in there and apply the product nicely. Also, this mask is very runny. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you can rinse off with any face wash of your choice. So here it is, you guys. Let's dig in. Ooh. Now, I know a lot of you guys may be concerned about the smell, but there really is no smell, okay? It just really smells like a hint of lime for the most part. It doesn't have much of a smell in terms of this face mask. So if you're concerned about that, don't be. And like I said, it is very runny, so make sure that you have a towel on standby. This is also going to help with dark marks as well that may be on your face and acne. So I'm going to carry on about my day and let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you guys, the final result of using this mask is absolutely amazing. It leaves your skin so smooth, so beautiful, and it also helps to get rid of all of that discoloration. I don't know if it's just me, but once all of my pimples were gone, I experienced a lot of discoloration from them. A lot of us always talk about how to remove acne, how to get rid of acne, but how do we get rid of that discoloration? And this is one of the ways that you are able to. It is absolutely amazing. Let me know down below if you will be testing out this mask, and make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you know someone who is struggling with any type of skin issues, share this video with them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you rep your city down below because y'all know that I want to know where my glam fam is watching from, and I'm gonna head out. Always remember to keep glamming.